Hi guys, I am telling something about you.
Everyone is equal to in nature. All are wise. We may not understand the words they speak. Children play and talk comfortably with their peers. The language they speak is understood by their peers, but we don't because we don't understand that language and are dumb, deaf people, blind people, mentally handicapped people talk with their friends and smile comfortably, but their language is not our heart because we can understand their language only when we understand their mental level. Thank you.